SuperKeys enlarges the cells or the keys within a cluster. It works especially well with the DocsPlus on-screen keyboard and can be used by switch or eye gaze users. It's ideal for learners with poor motor skills or for visually impaired users, giving them a much larger target area. To open the DocsPlus keyboard, click here. And to open SuperKeys, from the Options ribbon tab, select Accessibility. And on the SuperKeys tab, check the SuperKeys box and click OK. The keyboard cells are now grouped into clusters. Simply select the cluster containing the letter you want and then select a letter to send it to the document. So for example, I'm going to write the word the. The sound shift button lets you listen to the letters.
V.
Double-click it to keep it enabled to hear more than one cell.
V. B. N.
Click it again to disable it. The Shift key enables you to capitalise letters, and you can delete a letter from here. To close the window, click here. SuperKeys will also work with any word bar you have open, arranging the cells into more accessible clusters in the same way.